Potato and sago pearls or sabudhana are mixed together with ginger and garlic paste, spices, curry leaves, onion, and coriander. This is mixed well together and loaded into a hot waffle iron and cooked till crispy. I'm going to soak half a cup of sabudhana or sago pearls overnight in cool water, and then I'm going to drain it. Add this together with 1.5 cups of mashed potatoes. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, add half a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper, and salt to taste. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of curry leaves. I just cut this with the scissors. A half cup of finely diced onion. A half teaspoon of cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. And half a cup of chopped coriander. Now I'm going to mix this all together. I have a very basic circular waffle iron. I'm going to allow this to heat up and I'm going to spray it with oil to prevent the waffles from sticking. Add the mixture in and pat it flat with a spatula to spread it. Now the size of your waffle is going to depend on the size of your waffle iron, but also you can spread it out as much as you like. Depending on your size and the heat of the waffle iron, this could take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Just cook it till it's nice and crispy, and then it's good to remove and keep aside. Before serving, you can simply heat it up in your oven, and this is ready to enjoy.